Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about X ads overview, understanding the ecosystem of what are X ads or Twitter ads, and where do they appear. So let's have a look at this. So X ads is basically an advertising platform created by Twitter, which allows advertisers to advertise their business, create digital ads, which they can show on x.com or twitter.com. So these are going to be tailored ads which can be created, and it comes across the whole platform in various places, catering to the specific audience which comes on Twitter or X. So the kind of ad formats which you can run over here can be promoted ads, which include text, images, and videos. Vertical ad, video ads can be there. There is also X amplify ads, and takeover ads are various format of ads which you will be able to run on x.com. Now, the main benefit of advertising with X ads is that you will be having reach out to more than 611 million monthly active users, which comes on Twitter on a regular basis. Okay, and of various interests, location, behavior. So you can do all kinds of audience targeting out here to reach out to that audience. Secondly, it's quite cost effective in the sense that here they run a pay-per action models. So wherein you use different bidding methods like CPC, CPM, CPE, and the cost range between 25 cents to $2 per engagement or $2 to $4 per follower. So a lot of benefits, as you can see on this platform as well to advertise with. So now if you look at where all these ads are going to appear, so the X ads appear on the X platform on multiple places, which can be the timelines, where the user's timelines. So promoted ads, video ads appear on the user's homepage and for you feeds, on search results and profiles pages as well. So ads appear on those as well. And then premium placements like takeover ads, they appear at the top of timelines or in the explore tab. Other than this, outside of X, if you see, there is also, since Google had partnered with X.com, so because of the partnership, X ads appear on X main feed via the Google ad network. And also ads can also displayed on mobile apps, websites within the X's audience platform. So they have their own audience network, a collection of websites where as well the display ads can be shown, which extends your reach to your audience. So this is how x.com is going to be, where you have options of doing different types of audience targeting, and you can target your users across the X platform plus outside of X platform as well. I hope you understand this. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.